Do you have strong listening skills? Can you type? Are you able to correct simple grammatical errors? If your answer is yes to all my 3 questions, then this video is for you. Stay tuned. Hi there, my name is Ruth Mugo, and by the end of this video, I'm going to teach you how to be able to make money online from home just listening and typing words. You can make up to $245 with some of these websites and even more. So stay tuned so that you don't miss any of their websites and also the tips and tricks to make that possible. So guys, it's now time and I'm going to show you my 3 favorite transcription websites, and I say favorite because they are beginner friendly and also they offer guidelines that you can use before you even do your first transcription assignment, which is a trial before you join. My number 3 website is GoTranscript, and as you can see, this is a GoTranscript page, and I'm going to scroll all the way down because that's where you're going to get. So once I have scrolled down, there are different ways you can make money with GoTranscript. You can work as a transcriptionist, like you can work in their companies. It's US based. You can become the affiliate, you can become the transcriptionist, and also you can become their editor. So because we are here because we would love to work for them, you click work. And as you can see, they offer transcription jobs worldwide. And they have a competitive pay rate, which is 60 cents per audio or video minute. They also have a $150. Their average earnings per month are $150, and also their top monthly earnings are $1,215 US. So recently they realized that people are buying and selling GoTranscript accounts, and so they have put in place safety measures to ensure there is no illegal account purchases. So they have all this SMS verification, face photo verification before you register. You have like a photo thing. So as you can see here, these are the few requirements that they tell you. So all you need is a computer and a good internet connection. You also need to set up your PayPal account, going to receive your payments weekly via PayPal. And also once you register and you are in, you can choose tasks depending on when you want, where you work. So like there's no limit, you work when you want. So for more information, you can go to GoTranscript.com and /transcription jobs, and you're going to be brought to this page where you're going to learn more about GoTranscript. And by any chance, if you click apply, these are the questions that you're going to answer, these questions. And then they also have their guideline. Let me see if I'm able to open. As you can see, I said they do have a guideline, and they teach you about full verbatim, clean verbatim. They show you all these things before you even do your job. There is room for your application to go through if you read their guidelines carefully and understand it. Now, my other website that is my favorite is the TranscribeMe. So with TranscribeMe, it has different services: transcription, translation, AI datasets, and data annotation. So I'm mainly focused on transcription, where you turn audio and video content into highest accurate text. So for you to be able to go to their freelancer site, you go to jobs, and then once the page is loading, then it just brings you directly to this page. And so these are jobs, and you can get paid to work from home. And as you can see, they tell you all about their payments here. They also tell you about how you can grow and learn. They tell you about everything. So they also pay via PayPal, and they pay $15 to $22 per audio hour. And their top earnings are $2,200 with an average monthly earning of $250 US. So as you can see, the same requirements are the same. Good listening skills, be flexible, be able to want to learn, and be able to transcribe short 2 to 4 minutes clips, so they never have long interviews, which is good. So this is my number 2, and when you click get started, let's see what it's going to show you. So as you can see, you create an account, you read all the instructions. No need to look for work, it comes to you. You can transcribe whenever and wherever. So like the jobs are available 24/7. You can work as much or as little as you can, and you only transcribe 2 to 4 minutes clips. So they don't have long interviews. So this is how you do. You create a profile, and once you are in, then they give you a few tests that you do to pass. And once you pass and reach like the 99% mark of accuracy, then you'll be able to join the TranscribeMe. And as I said, they also do have their guidelines, just like GoTranscript. That means there's a huge chance that if you go through their guidelines and understand them, because that's just the key, go through the guidelines, understand what they want, be good with your listening skills. Also be good in grammar, like check grammatical errors, and you'll be good to go now, and you're going to be good to go. So my other transcription site that is my favorite, it's rev.com. If you googled rev.com, it's going to bring you to this page here, and you have to scroll all the way down, and this section where it says become a freelancer, it's where you can apply to become a transcriptionist, a captioner, or a translator and earn money while working anywhere, anytime. That means this Rev is available worldwide. So when you click here, learn more, this is where they're going to bring you to a page where you can sign up to become a Rev transcriptionist. And as you can see, their schedule is flexible. You can choose from 100 of jobs, and you can get paid weekly via PayPal. So let's go to transcriptionist and learn more. So here you listen to audio and video, accurately type what is being said, and then label speakers. So if we go to learn more to have more information, as you can see, they pay weekly via PayPal. Their average earnings per month are $245, and that's why I said it's one of my favorite, because it's true. Their top earnings are $1,495 US. So to start working with Rev requires 3 steps. The first step is to sign up and get approved to transcribe, where you take a quiz and submit a transcript to demonstrate your mastery of the English language and Rev's styling rules. So if you are approved, you can start working right away. Then from there, you choose from available transcript jobs. Because there are 100 of them, there are so many. And so you select your job. You just select one of the jobs or the tasks that you're interested in, and then you claim it, and you are good to go. So the other thing about Rev is that normally it has stages like rookie and above. So every stage has a requirement. So that means you just don't get transcription jobs and then be like, wow, that's it. There's a lot of hard work required and a lot of mastery of the English language. So when you're good, you get paid weekly via PayPal, and you get paid every Monday. Some of the benefits of working with Rev is that you can decide what you want to work on. You also get paid weekly and you choose your own schedule. So like if you want to work for like 10 hours, 20 hours in a week, up to you. As long as you meet the 99% accuracy, you are good to go. And they also do have people who are on standby, and they assist you as you go. So if you have questions, they will definitely be telling you about what you missed, what you need to work on. And yeah, so check out Rev, and I hope that these 3 websites can be the beginning of your transcription career. So to learn more about Rev, go to rev.com/freelancers/transcription on Chrome, and you're going to be able to land right on this page that you are seeing. So I wish you all the best as you learn, and also in your quest to learning about transcription jobs. Also, remember to check my other video of this. Remember to share and like. That is one way of supporting this channel. Also with subscribing. That way I can reach as many people as possible who needs this kind of information. Thank you so much, and see you in my next video.